Hey guys, welcome back. So, as promised, I'm doing an entire unboxing. I have a Summer's Eve BoxyCharm from when they did their Summer's Eve promotion, a November BoxyCharm. I have a Birchbox, and I have my Ipsy. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Birchbox is right in front of me, so we will do Birchbox first. This is what our box looks like this month. So first up we have a Clean Reserve perfume sample. This is Amber and Saffron. I've never tried anything from Clean that I didn't like. Let's see. It's a little sweet for me, but it still smells good. Next we have Cicapair Derma Green Solution Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. Oh, okay, well I opened it and it went everywhere, but it kind of smells like lemongrass. Next we have In for Hair Performance Hair Care, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. It's a smoothing balm. I'm just gonna open. It feels like pretty hefty. This is 1 fluid ounce. It smells interesting. So this is the LXMI Creme du Nil. It is a cream. It's a moisturizer. It's a moisturizer. It doesn't say that on the bottle, but it's a moisturizer. And it's sealed, so that's good. Let's see if it's a tinted moisturizer or what. Nope, regular moisturizer. Okay, I'm just gonna put that little seal back on there. I will try that next time. And last but not least, finally, something I can use in the next video. This is the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Apparently they're like holding national secrets in here because it doesn't want to open. Let's get it open. Take a look at the wand. Oh, it's a nice little wand. Good bit of amount of product on the wand too. Okay, so we have one item in Birchbox that I can use for the next video. The next video is going to be me doing a look with the products that come in these boxes. The only thing I think I'm gonna have to most likely provide myself is like eyebrows, maybe highlighter, bronzer, maybe foundation, obviously, because I don't think I ever get a foundation from any of these. Okay, so now we're gonna do the Summer's Eve BoxyCharm. It comes with $1 off of Summer's Eve products. Never sample size. Oh, it's the BoxyCharm promise thing. Okay. Okay, so for my Summer's Eve box, I literally got last month's box. I even got the same shade Kat Von D that I got last month, which was Bow and Arrow. Hopefully the other BoxyCharm or Ipsy came with a different lip sample. It's Superhero I'm giving away. This is my third one, so I guess I'm gonna keep it. Ooh, a Hava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. So I did not get this in my October. I got the lace mask instead. Let's see. Ooh, that's really moisturizing. That feels really good. And it's not like super thick, but it's not really watery either. That feels really good. I'm gonna keep that. And then we got the Pure Masquerade palette, if I remember correctly. Oh yeah, okay, so it says it on the back. There is blush and highlighter. Okay, so at least I have blush and highlighter in this. But I'm gonna give this particular one away for Christmas because I know someone that would love it. So I'm going to use the one that I already have open because, I mean, it's the same thing, exact same thing. I just don't want to open a whole new product that I want to give away when I have one open. All right, let's move on to November BoxyCharm. So the only thing I know for a fact I have in here is the Cover FX drops. Okay, so we have our BoxyCharm. The theme was Gold Digger. Yes, we got lashes. Those are pretty. I'm excited about those. Okay. And then we have the Luxie brushes. I don't want to open these because I have so many brushes. I know I said I was going to do a video using only products I got in Ipsy and BoxyCharm, but I really don't want to open these because someone requested brushes from me for Christmas, and I have so many eye brushes, so I'm going to leave those aside. All right, this is what I'm excited about. These are the Cover FX glitter drops, and this is in the shade Nova. Roll up my sleeve so I can, let's see what it looks like. Oh my God, that is so pretty. Okay. Put a little bit on my hand here. Whoa, okay. Well, just so you know, that's one droplet. That is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm very, very excited to use that. Oh, and then you can like rub it in really well, and then just your entire hand sparkles and shimmers. Yeah, that's amazing. I'm grabbing makeup wipe so I can wipe out my hand off here. I'll leave my arm nice and shimmery. Okay, so that I'm very, very excited about. We will definitely use those. Next, we have the Jaunt Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner. Well, we have a mascara, a liner, highlighter, blush, glitter drops, lashes. So far, we're... Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, so it has silver glitter. It's pretty pigmented. I did just put it on top of glitter drops. So, all right, now we have eyes. So we have two things we can use for eyes. This is the Ace Beauty palette. All right, so I will definitely be using this. Let's swatch some of them. You know, just swatch all of them, actually. This is the top row. Very pigmented, very pretty. They're very pretty. All right, let's go into the bottom row. I can definitely work with these, and I'm actually excited about this too. Okay, so far, we don't have a primer. But I think we have pretty much everything else we're gonna need. Foundation, concealer. We don't have primer, foundation, concealer, or bronzer. But we have blush, highlighter, eyeliner, mascara, lashes, glitter drops, and lots of eyeshadows to choose from. And last but not least, we have Ipsy. Oh, I forgot I actually added this on. Okay, so Ipsy, you can now do add-ons. I added on the Juno & Co. Microfiber Velvet Sponge. And I thought it was actually going to be a lot smaller than this. I didn't think it was going to be like a full size. And this isn't a full size, and this is a baby one, then I'm going to be ordering a full size. It's so tiny and cute. Oh, it feels so good. Oh, I love it. I'm very excited. So this, I will use this on camera for the first time. I'm very, very excited about that. Oh, we have another blush. Okay, this is Lottie London Blush Crush. I don't know what shade this is. Zach. I didn't realize the little heart was. Okay, so we have a blush. That feels good. It's pigmented. It didn't really get patchy, so I'm excited about that. And again, this is the shade Zach by Lottie London Blush Crush. So we have a blush, eyeshadow, mascara, eyeliner, lashes, highlighter, glitter drops, lipstick. We do have a lipstick. All right, we have another eyeshadow. It's by The Balm. This is foiled again. And this is the shade Cahoots. Like a gray shade. So if I want to use it, we have another option. It's a little too shimmery for me, so. Next we have Sand and Sky Australian Pore Refining Face Mask. Well, I can't really use this for next video, but that's really thick, creamy, kind of cooling. I do like that. So, okay, now the Seat London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Oh, and by the way, this is like the tiniest sample I've ever seen in my entire life. How am I supposed to get that sticker off? Like, there's one of those little, like, stickers. If you're going to create the smallest sample known to mankind, I really do think this is the smallest sample known to mankind, can you at least, like, make the sticker easy to get off? Oh my god. Okay, it's very mattifying. It is mattifying. It feels good. It's nice and soft. My only concern is this, I'm going to get like 1, maybe 2 uses out of this, because I feel like it's going to make a bigger mess than anything. But we'll try it. And last but not least, we have Incredible Glazing Over Lip Gloss. That is a giant wand for a tiny tube. And it's, oh wow, okay. So that is very, very pigmented. So at least we have a lip. Well, we have 2 lip products. That's pretty. Okay, so that is, oh, it stains too. Beware, it stains. Well, it's a red. I would imagine it would stain. That is my subscription boxes. Summer's Eve box was literally, besides the hand cream, I'm so shimmery right now. I love it. I love it. The Summer's Eve box was pretty much something I already had, with the exception of the Ahava hand cream. The Birchbox was, I'm really considering canceling my Birchbox because I'm just getting like a bunch of samples I'm not going to use. Like, I'll use that Stila, but that's like the first thing I've gotten from them that I'm like, ooh, I can't wait to use this. And BoxyCharm, I'm very, very happy for those Cover FX drops. Ipsy, the only thing I'm really excited about was my add-on. I'm also considering canceling Ipsy in all seriousness and just maybe taking the price that I'm spending on both of them and just getting a second BoxyCharm. That's what I'm considering. Because aside from this, there's not really anything I'm super excited about. I mean, I'm excited for the blush. I do need a darker blush. But that is today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up or let me know in the comments, or do both. and we can do more of these. I am signed up for Boxy Luxe, so if you want to see an unboxing of that, let me know down in the comments. But thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you want to see a tutorial on this look, let me know down in the comments and I will be more than happy to do that. I'm very excited to play with those Cover FX drops. So I'm gonna go ahead, go wash my face off and start thinking of a look for all of these products. I'm gonna use as many of them as possible while still trying to look decent and able to go outside. All right, I will see you guys next time.